Humanity once knew the truth. They could tell right from wrong. They lived with justice. But time changes even the strongest hearts.
Who will guide us now? How will we endure his absence?
Generations passed, and humanity forgot its creator.
Let's do something to keep their memory alive.
They shaped stones with their own hands. And then they bowed before them. They surrendered to what they had created. And on that day, humanity didn't just lose its way, it lost its soul. But in every darkness, there is a light. And in that time, that light was a man. His name was Noah. He was not like the others. His heart was pure. His eyes could still see the truth. And his voice spoke without fear. That is why he was chosen.
O my people, I come to you as a clear warner. Worship God alone, or a great punishment will come upon you.
He spoke again and again, but truth is not always welcome.
You are just a man like us. Who are you? Why should we follow you? Are you crazy?
You are just a man like us? We will punish you.
They didn't just reject him, they mocked him. They turned away, closed their ears, because truth demands change. Finally, the blessed days had come, and people from all around were coming together to celebrate.
Show your strength! Come on! This is done! Bravo! Well done! You need to work hard. Go back to the sheep immediately. Let your wrist rest!
God help us.
While the crowd stood gathered around the idols in devotion, Noah lifted his staff high and declared,
Believe in God alone, not in these lifeless stones.
He declared. In an instant, the idol shattered into fragments, leaving everyone in stunned disbelief.
What do you think you're doing? You've really crossed the line.
Yes, leave us alone. We neither want to hear nor see you.
Your salvation does not lie in those stones, but in the path I show you,
he declared. Yet the people had no desire to listen.
Who do you think you are? You've become really spoiled. You've crossed the line. You've crossed the line.
Enraged, the crowd lunged at Noah. There was no escape, and he did not seek one. They fell upon him, beating him mercilessly with fists, kicks, and sticks. Years passed, yet nothing changed. He called them in the night and in the day, in public and in secret. But the more he spoke, the more they turned away.
My Lord, I am overpowered. Help me.
This was not just a prayer. It was the end of an era. The real test would come at home through his own son, Ham. When Ham returned home that evening, he wanted to speak with his father, but the words his father was about to hear would break his heart.
Father, I don't believe you. You are a liar. I don't love you. I hate you.
No matter what kind of test it was, Noah could not make his son understand. His son had fallen into gambling, theft, and every kind of wrongdoing. In the end, Noah was deeply saddened, knowing that his son was heading toward punishment. The time had come, and the decision had been made. God spoke, "Build the ark under our watch, and do not speak to me about the wrongdoers." Noah began building a ship in dry land, and quickly, together with the few people who believed in him, he began building the ark with only one goal in mind: to complete it. They worked almost non-stop, nearly 24 hours a day, and they did not grow tired. This too was one of Noah's miracles.
A ship here? He's lost his mind.
Did you quit being a prophet and start carpentry now? Where will you float this thing you made? On land?
You laugh today, tomorrow you will understand.
And the ark was completed. It had neither oars nor sails. It would find its way with God's guidance. Now the passengers of the ark were awaited. The time had come. Once all the passengers had boarded, God's punishment began. Those who had not believed in Noah, those who had mocked him, no longer knew what to do or where to go. Regret was written all over their faces. Soon a cloud of dust appeared on the horizon. People could not believe their eyes. Animals from all across the earth were coming toward the ark in pairs, male and female. Humanity was witnessing an incredible miracle, and And this was only one of many. It was as if the sky and the earth had burst open. Water flooded everything. This was the great destruction sent upon the unbelievers. A flood. The disbelievers would sink beneath the waters, while the believers would rise above and survive. The storm had passed. God would now guide the ark to its destination, where the seeds of a new life would be sown. The lineage that began with Adam would continue through Noah. Then God commanded the waters to recede, and they withdrew. A brand new page had been opened for the world. Now the Noah within all of us had begun our shared story. Though languages and appearances may differ, in truth, we are all the same.